Hi, let's talk about soldering. Here I have a soldering iron here. This is 30 watts. Okay, let me zoom out. This is 30 watts soldering iron to 20 volts. So let's talk about soldering briefly. Now to solder, you need soldering iron. One, you need, this is called solder. This solder is an alloy of tin and lead. Okay. Why some will call this that this is lead. Why they call it lead is because solder is an alloy of tin and lead. So because it's lead is one of the things used in processing this, they call it lead, but lead is wrong. It is an alloy. So the appropriate name is solder. Okay. So let's demonstrate a little soldering. Let's demonstrate with this our power bank. Here is a cable, and here is another cable. But let's say you want to extend the cable outside, okay, in order to boost these dead cells. So how do we go about it? What cable can I use? Okay, let me use this. Now I want to desolder this. Okay. This one to be desoldered. Yeah, this one here. I want to desolder this. Okay, and the button off. Good. I basically put it on top, then it comes out. Good. Alright. So to solder this part together, okay, I can apply, so I can apply a little solder here. Just apply solder, okay, apply another solder here. Good. Then I come to these two parts. I just place it at the side and apply soldering iron. You see? That's soldered. Now with this, I can use it to lift this power bank. See, I've lifted it up. Alright, with the soldering. Just solder it. See, I've lifted it up. Okay, see. Alright, good. So basically, that is soldering. Basically, that is all. That is all about soldering. So it depends on what you want to do. Okay, take for example, if you want to work with maybe with this also requires, if you want to use soldering iron, can you solder iron for this? So it's basically just okay, just basically here, just apply this in here, apply. Let me zoom in. Yeah. These are series of capacitors. Yeah. So if I can use reverse station to remove this, and I can as well use soldering iron to remove it. So I can just apply solder at one side of it in order to weaken the parts. Just apply solder here so as to weaken the parts. Just apply solder and try to lift this part up as I'm applying solder. But it's much effective for soldering iron that is heavier than this. Now this one is a little bit tiny. We have another one. You see this is heavy duty. Compare this and this. Alright, you see the difference. Okay. So the type of job we want to do determines this type of soldering iron. But this is for just minor design. This can mostly sell it, definitely. And with this, I can, well, over time, this one will come up with this. But with this, it's much better to use reverse station to remove it. It becomes easy to do. So basically, with doing soldering, so that is all. That's it. Just immediately to put one part to the other, and you make it firm so that it won't fall off. so that it form a connection. So that is about soldering. So anything at all that needs soldering can, it could be that you want to solder cable. It could be that you want to repair an extension and you need to solder this part together. Okay. And it could be on a board level repair this way, of course, although this requires much training otherwise, because if it is, this board contains tiny components. So if one is not careful, those tiny components will just get kicked off. But for light jaws, something like this, something like this, you want to solder cable, yes, you can use it. And there could be some random thing that you need to solder. So it's because you plug, you let it out, you get a solder, and you put the part together and you apply it. Or it could be, I've indicated a method first at that time. That is, before applying this tool, let me solder. Before I apply this tool, I apply the solder here, from that solder here. I place it together and I put solder here at the side to melt the two together. Then I release, I retain my hand so that it solidifies, it cools. So as it cools, it solidifies, then I can release my finger. Right? Another method could be that, it could be that we have two parts this way. Like, because I'm holding this and this one is staying, I'm holding this one this way. So it's not convenient. Okay, there could be a part that, yes, it becomes convenient, or maybe tighten the parts together. Okay, with hand, now use a solder to apply it, to solder the part together. So basically that is it. It's as simple as ABC.